Assalamu alaikum. As you all have seen in the title, that today's video will be a fun solution to the situation when you got no paints, no colors. You're either stuck at home or you're out of budget, but you still want to draw. So क्या किया जाए? What's the solution? Don't worry, I'll take you to the video tour to a very crazy idea that I recently found. कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या? चलें देखते हैं. Recently, I found this channel on YouTube named Funny Drawing CT. I'll put the link in description. You can check it out. It's a guy that draws really cute stuff, cute doodle stuff. So while scrolling down, I got stuck on a video titled as "Drawing with Spices." It says, "Can we draw with spices?" And I was like, "What?" I know coffee and tea as a drawing source or paint source, but what about spices? Do they actually work? So let's watch together that how he actually did it. So he started with getting all these colorful spices that I think are easily available in everybody's kitchen. This seems interesting. Literally he added hot water to the spices. Like मेरे mind में था ही नहीं कि कौन सा पानी किस तरह का पानी डालना है. I would have added tap water, normal tap water. So this is the point. This is the tip, that add hot water to the spices. Okay, so I got this major trick. He has squeezed all this tint, the color from spices, by using this cotton swab. Literally मैं अगर होती तो I was just dipping brush in that spice water, or directly I would have been putting up color on the page. So I got the idea. This is how it's working. Literally, I'm loving it so far. My goodness, if you do not know this whole process of drawing, literally you can never figure out that this drawing has been done with watercolor or something else. Like literally the video has been so satisfying. The whole process was so soothing. टाइटल या थंबनेल देखकर नो वन कैन रियलाइज दैट कितना इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता है ये. और मज़े की बात, व्हेन आई जस्ट रेड दिस टाइटल आई डिडंट हैव इट इन माई माइंड कि किस तरह हम लोगों ने स्पाइसेस को यूज़ करना है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वाटर वी विल बी यूजिंग, वेदर हम लोग उसको डायरेक्टली यूज़ करेंगे डिप करके ब्रश को या फिर स्क्वीज़ करके यूज़ करके. आई डिडंट नो एक्चुअली. सो I loved the process, I enjoyed it, and thank you so very much for sharing this much informative video or hack, what I would be saying it. लेकिन जो भी है, thank you so much for sharing this. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो do check out his channel for more stuff like this. मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और लेट मी नो कि आगे मैं किस तरह की वीडियोस आप लोगों के लिए बनाऊं. सो ख्याल रखिएगा अपना बहुत सारा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा. अगर आपने ये वीडियो अभी तक नहीं देखी तो डू चेक दिस आउट. अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, अल्लाह हाफिज़.